Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to build city things in Minecraft. First, let's lay the groundwork for your urban masterpiece. Planning is crucial. Think about your city's purpose and overall aesthetic. Will it be a bustling metropolis or a quiet town? Decide on a grid system or a more organic layout. Gathering diverse materials like stone, concrete, and terracotta will add depth and realism to your builds. Remember, even small details contribute to a grand vision. Next, let's focus on the arteries of your city, the roads and pathways. A well-designed road system is essential for both aesthetics and functionality. Consider using gray concrete for main roads and lighter blocks for sidewalks. Add details like streetlights, benches, and even traffic lights to bring your streets to life. Think about how vehicles and pedestrians would move through your city. A consistent width, perhaps 5 blocks for main roads, creates a professional look. Now for the heart of any city, the buildings themselves. Don't just build square boxes, experiment with different shapes, sizes, and architectural styles. Create residential areas with cozy homes, commercial districts with shops, and a downtown with towering skyscrapers. Use windows, balconies, and roof details to add character. Furnish interiors, even simply, to give your city a sense of life. A typical house might be 10 by 10 blocks, while a skyscraper could be 50 blocks tall. Finally, let's add the finishing touches that make a city truly come alive. Green spaces like parks and plazas offer residents a place to relax and add visual appeal. Plant trees, create flower beds, and build fountains. Don't forget the small details. Benches, trash cans, and even custom street art can make a huge difference. Strategic lighting, using glowstone or sea lanterns, will illuminate your city beautifully at night, creating a vibrant and inviting atmosphere for all.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.